To make a buttonhole wheel, bring your needle up on the outside of the circle and then bring it down in the middle, but don't pull it all the way through and leave a nice loop on top. Then we're going to go 1 stitch over to the right and make sure you're coming up through this loop that you left on top. So if you've ever done a blanket stitch, it's similar to the way that it catches the thread over here. So then continue by bringing your needle down in the middle, leave the loop on the top, move a stitch over around the circle, go through the loop, and then pull the thread. And you kind of want to pull it in the direction, give a little tug in the direction that the wheel is going. So then again, down in the middle, leave your loop, move a stitch length over, and pull that through the loop. And then just continue doing that around the circle. And then when you get to the point where you are going to be making your last stitch here, to make it all look uniform, you want to slide your needle from the outside in under this first stitch here, and then simply take your needle down in the middle hole. And that is how you make a buttonhole wheel.